We're back. There's more to unbox. We're super excited. I'm gonna get this unboxed, show you what it is, and then we're gonna talk about it. So let's just jump right into it. So if you don't know who Eventuri is, they make high quality, mostly carbon intakes. They're coming out with Mk8 products. Since we have Mk8 Golf R, they wanted us to work with them on their launch project for the Mk8 intake. This is a pre-production model. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this, sort of assemble it and see what it looks like. So we're back. I've enlisted Jeff here from sales to help me because this is a lot to unbox. Jeff, give you a quick rundown what we're working on. Eventuri sent us over a Mk8 Golf R intake to throw on. We're gonna get the rest of this unboxed. So I do know one difference between this intake and the intake they made for the EU is the US cars have an additional filter that they've made an adapter for. It's in one of these packages somewhere. They sent me a picture about it. They're having that produced as like currently. They're getting that manufactured now. So that will be a slight change between what is already out there for the EU versus what is out there for North America. This is that filter piece I was just talking about. I know, Jeff and I switched places. It's very confusing. But there will be an official production piece for this. This is just what they came up with to send with our kit. So this piece itself may look a little different when the intake launches for North America. Cool, so we're back. I took a few minute break. I found an awesome video on YouTube that Eventuri made actually about the design process behind this intake. Super educational, highly informative. I recommend checking it out. We'll throw it down in the description, the caption, in case anybody's interested to see it. Basically, we don't need this silicone hose. This is for the GTI. This is what goes on the Golf R. So we'll set this guy aside. This intake, this is how this looks all assembled. The reason these two pieces are separate is to allow the top portion to move independently of the ram. Because the engine is gonna move, it's gonna torque, it's gonna twist, and that prevents both of these from being locked together and causing any sort of damage to the plastic. So this is a beautiful intake. They did a fantastic job. We're super excited to have this on the car and have Eventuri on board and work with them for a launch partner. We're gonna get this installed. We'll get some nice photos up and be providing feedback to everybody. So if you wanna stick around for more Golf R content, be sure to follow us on Instagram, check us out on YouTube, and we'll catch you around. See ya.